Hello guys, I'm gonna be showing guys how to edit a sound effect in Clash of Clans. So first thing you need is iFile. You need just delete it because I already had it set from last time. Delete what I did last time. Hold on, I'll show you guys how to do it in a second. So what you're gonna need to do to change a sound effect on him, well, first you need to be jailbroken and have iFile. Next, you're gonna want to download iButtons because it's kind of hard to download a sound effect on anything else. So it's good because I couldn't figure out anything else except for this app, so it's called Instant Buttons. And then you're gonna find a sound effect you like. You guys can mess with them. I'm not gonna go through them, but here's a sound effect I'm gonna show you guys with. Hold on. I'll turn the volume so I don't have to really. So here, let me find one that's fine. That was not what I meant to press. And guys, anyway, I'll be careful which ones you choose because they could get annoying and they could be long. So yeah. And here I'll just do whip for this one. Do send. Open an iFile. That's what it's called. Next thing you want to do, gonna do edit. And click on it, copy, /link. Next thing you want to do, go to var, mobile, containers, bundle, application, and go into the Clash Clans app thing. Go to clashclans.app, go to RES, logic, wrong one, SFX, CAF, and then find a sound effect you guys like. So I'm going to use bad move, which is, whoops, wrong one, which is that. So that's the current bad move one, so I'm going to do edit, paste, and I use whip, so it will be at W. But first thing I'm going to do, just in case you guys want to turn it back, so just don't like override or anything. Yeah, so put a space in between where it says .caf and whatever's before it. Yeah, and then if you guys haven't pasted already, go ahead and click the button down here at the bottom right, and go to where it was at. Where's whip? There it is. So go to info. This will not change it for other people, but it'll change it for how it sounds to you. So first thing, it says M4A, which the rest say .caf or .caf. I call it caf. I don't know why. So and then name it the letter of the sound effect you're using it for. .caf. So backspace, backspace where it says M4A. So in that case, I'm going to do that, because my sound effect starts with a B. I'm trying to replace it for. Go back to B, or the letter. Just in case you guys forget what the name is, I do this. Then you're going to do bad move, or, whoops, that's not meant to be capitalized. BAD, score, MOVE, 06, that calf, and that's what it's going to be named. Right, so you guys need exactly the name of the one you're trying to redo it from. Yeah, so name it exactly the one you're trying to redo it as. Bad move. Yeah. And here's the original one right here. Remember that? The original one is the one that you spaced. And this is the non-original one. Just showing that part. I'm sorry, guys, if I'm talking slow. But whatever. Anyways, the next thing you want to do. Name from. So, yeah. Once you guys have done that part, you're pretty much just done. As long as you guys have renamed it exactly the one that you're trying to put it as a sound effect as. So this will be my new sound effect for it. So, yeah. And if you guys have Clash Clans in your background tab, swipe out Clash Clans. Oops. No, we need to wipe up that, so. And then go back into Clash Clans. It's gonna say redoing content. It's gonna say redoing content because you guys just changed it. How it looks and everything. Not how it looks, but how it sounds. So here. You guys put one of them to the wrong spot. Look. So that is not fake. If you guys want proof, go try it by yourself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, please comment, like, and subscribe on the video though. Yeah, so you guys were done with that. You were actually done. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have, like, comment, subscribe, and that'll be it. See you guys next time.